Enter your email address to sign in. Then enter your password. Click Sign In to access your account. Let's explore the Authors page, your community directory for discovering fellow writers. The Authors page shows members of the ProseForge community who are actively creating and reviewing stories. Use the search bar to find specific authors by name. The Sort drop-down lets you organize authors by their contributions, most stories published, reviews completed, reviews received, or newest members. Filter buttons help narrow your search. Active Only shows recently engaged members, while Open to Review finds authors willing to review your stories. Let's click Open to Review to find authors who are available to give feedback on your work. Each author card displays their avatar, name, membership date, and key statistics, stories published, reviews completed, and reviews received. The stats help you identify active contributors and experienced reviewers in the community. Pagination controls at the bottom let you browse through all community members. Click any author card to view their full profile and published work. The author profile page shows their complete statistics and all published stories. The profile header displays the author's avatar, name, and membership date. The stats grid shows published stories, reviews given to others, and reviews received on their own work. If this author is open to reviewing, you'll see a Request as Reviewer button. Click it to add them to your reviewer pool and get feedback on your stories. The Published Stories section lists all of the author's completed work. Click any story to read it. That's the Authors page, your gateway to the ProseForge community. Use it to discover fellow writers, find reviewers for your stories, and explore published work.